So this week I have my portfolio website to show you. And so here's the homepage and the About Me section. I have a picture of me from about a year ago, talks about how many years I've taught and, uh, where I've lived. And then I have a page that has my certifications on it listed here. I have some project samples on here to look at that students could look at if they wanted to. And then I have text enhanced lessons with resources. I have a teaching philosophy page which changes over the years. So I also have here my resume. Now, for some reason, I don't like to really post personal information like my phone number and my home address online. So I really don't feel comfortable doing that. That's why I'm not on too many social media sites. I'm on Facebook and Twitter, but not for teaching. So I have my resume here with all the qualifications, my teaching experience, and my licenses and education. And because I've been teaching a while, I have, quite a bit here and I update it every once in a while. But this is pretty much what I have. So I hope you guys enjoy looking at it and I look forward to watching all of yours.